guys, it's Kelly. So today I am doing my first prom makeup tutorial. You know, prom is my favorite season to do makeup tutorials. Even though at my school you only have prom junior year and that's the year I'm in. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And yeah. Oh, and comment down below if you want a full drugstore prom makeup tutorial, because I know a lot of girls in high school don't really have a lot of high-end makeup. I know I don't really, but yeah, let's go with the video. First off, yes, my hair is greasy again, and yes, I'm wearing a Christmas shirt because it's freezing outside, and I have a tank top under this. So first up, I'm taking my Farewell facial mist with essential oils, cucumber, and white tea. I've already used a lot of it, which that's a lot to me, but it even tastes good. I probably shouldn't eat that though. It's so refreshing, and if you feel a breakout coming on, just spray it. And so for brows, I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in soft brown. I used to use this shade. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Dark brown, but then I found out that was too dark and my eyebrows look crazy. I probably just inserted a picture. You're welcome, people who hate me. Everybody can't see. It's literally night. I have the worst lighting in my room, especially at night because there's no daylight. So next up, I am covering up my brows using the Makeup Revolution concealer. Now, I have a thread. Now, a lot of people say this is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I still have blood orange on my chin. I don't find that it's a dupe because it's just not as mattifying and drying as the Tarte is. So to start out, I'm taking the Sultry palette by Anastasia. It is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the shade Birch and dusting it off and just swiping that through my crease. I don't really get any fallout. It's not like we all know the subculture. Next, I am putting the shade Twig on my outer V and sweeping it through my crease just to deepen and define it. I'm gonna start off with the inner corner highlight with taking the shade Cinder on my finger, because when I swatched this in the store, it was just so gorgeous, because I swatched with my fingers, of course. Now we're not done with the inner corner highlight, but I am gonna take more of this dark brown and just apply it just to darken everything up. Now I'm taking this type of brush. I believe it's called a pencil brush, and I'm taking the shade Gold Dip from the Too Faced. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette now. And I'm putting that right above where I put the Cinder color from the from the Sultry, and bring it down a little bit too. So now I'm gonna attempt to use gel liner. This is a Sonia Kashuk eyeliner in Ebony. So pray for me. Now, since this eye doesn't match this eye, and this eye is for eyeshadow, I'm going to take the the dark brown again. So I just popped on some lashes. Not very long because you can use mascara for this step, but I chose lashes. So for this look, we're actually not going to be using foundation. You probably saw by the title. But I'm going to take these drops that I got in the mail the other day. These are the Iconic London Illuminator. And since we're not using foundation, it won't make us look oily. It will just make us look luminous, hopefully. And I'm just going to be like the Instagram beauty gurus. I need to drop it. I'm not going to put any on my chin. Ooh, that smells good. It smells really fresh. Alright, now for concealer, I'm going in with a full coverage. So I want to use a full coverage concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh no, I'm running out. Obviously, you don't have to use as much as I usually do, but now for contour, I'm going to take this Anastasia Stick Foundation. This is in Chestnut, and I'm going to take some on my brush, and I'm going to use this as contour. Now, for prom, you want to make sure to use powder for your skin type. If you have kind of normal to oily skin, I have normal skin, you can use the baking method. If you have dry or normal skin and it's just naturally dry in the winter, you can just use powder to set everything in place. But I want to make sure I have no shine all night.
Where's that? Is there nothing to peel this top part off?
Okay, so for highlighter, we're going to skip blush because you don't want to look, you're probably going to be pink underneath the makeup, so you don't want to look. To start off, I'm going to be using two highlighters today. It's the Iconic Duo. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. I'll start off with the Anastasia Amazing. I'm going to face this way just because it's where the mirror is. Now, you can, white highlighters I find. Most white highlighters, like this one in the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia, it's in the shade Luna. It just intensifies the highlight. Any color highlight, it intensifies that. It can intensify the color. Yeah, myself.
The magic elixir.
Are you filming?
Yes, I am filming, and now everyone is in my room.
We could get Jesse up here.
Oh, so I'm gonna do something a little interesting for the lips. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, shut up.
I'm just going to take the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in Chihuahua, and it's a new one. So like, I just love how I have a collection of these. So like, literally, this is so pretty. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, like it, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye! And yes, I talk so fast that you can't understand me.